With their long legs and ears, Patagonian maras may look similar to hares, but their bodies are like those of hoofed animals, while their faces look like one of the capybara. Despite their strange appearance, however, Patagonian maras are actually rodents most closely related to guinea pigs and capybaras. Found only in Argentina, an average mara has a head and body length of 27 to 30 inches with a body weight of up to 36 pounds. They prefer to live in habitats with shrub cover, but they also inhabit overgrazed and barren soils in the Monte Desert. In other parts of Argentina, they can also be found living in lowland habitats, including grasslands, shrublands, and other semi-arid open areas. Since they spend over 1/3 of their day grazing, their teeth grow continuously throughout their lives in response to the constant wear. Being herbivores, their diet primarily consists of fruits and green vegetation. Their predators include predatory cats, foxes, grisons, and birds of prey. When alarmed by these predators, maras may start a behavior typically seen in ungulates that consists of jumping in the air from all four legs. Their long limbs are well suited for running, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour when alarmed. Their large ears also helps them hear predators and regulate their body temperatures. The social structure of the maras is unusual among mammals. Being monogamous, pairs of maras stay together for life with replacement of partners only occurring after one's death. Also, except for the use of communal burrows for young pups, monogamous pairs will defend their territory from other pairs until resources are depleted and they move to a new area. Narwhals are a species of toothed whale which are native to Arctic waters of Canada, Greenland, and Russia. Often dubbed the unicorns of the sea, narwhals are strange and beautiful creatures with long tusks protruding from their heads. In the past, they inspired many seafaring legends, and their tusks were once sold as unicorn horns. The tusk most commonly found on males is actually an enlarged tooth with sensory capability and up to 10 million nerve endings inside. Some narwhals have up to 2 tusks, while others have none. The tusk, which is spiraled and hollow inside, can weigh up to 17 pounds and grows up to 10 feet long. They are thought to serve as a weapon or as a tool for feeding, attracting mates, or sensing water temperature and salinity. Female narwhals are slightly smaller than males, weighing up to 3,417 pounds, while males can reach weights of up to 4,200 pounds. Over 40% of their body weight comprises fat or blubber inside the skin, and their body length is about 16 feet for females and 18 feet for males. They live in groups of 10 to 20 individuals, but in the summer they come together in groups of hundreds or even thousands to migrate. They travel together, swimming fast and close to the surface. Sometimes they float motionless at the surface, and occasionally they will all leap out of the water or dive at the same time. Narwhals are one of the deepest diving whales, and the greatest dive depth recorded is 7,780 feet. They can also hold their breaths for more than 25 minutes and have adapted to deep diving, as not many animals can sustain such intense pressures below the surface of the water and stay underwater for so long. The primary food of narwhals include flatfish, cod, shrimp, squids, and crab that they find on the seabed during their long dives. They use echolocation to help them find food and have an interesting way of eating, creating a sort of vacuum and sucking up their food. The bald uakari is a small South American primate with peculiar features. It has a bright red face, a striking bald head, a short tail and a long brown fur. Their distinctive red face is caused by blood flow beneath the skin, specifically a thinner epidermis with a higher concentration of capillaries in the face. The degree of redness is actually an indicator of good health and allows for the determination of a healthy mate. Members of the New World monkey family, there are currently 4 recognized subspecies of the uakari that are distinguished by their coat colors. The coat colors range in shades of blonde, orange, brown or red. They typically weigh between 6 to 8 pounds and males can grow up to 18 inches long. Their conspicuously short and bushy tail measuring around 5 inches is non-prehensile and is impractical for forest life considering they are predominantly arboreal. Instead, the uakaris rely on their long arms, legs, fingers and toes to travel through the trees. However, they may also wag their tail when feeling excited or threatened. The uakaris are highly specialized and found mainly in palm tree habitats. Their diet mainly consists of plants and fruits but can vary depending on the time of year. Highly social, they live in large troops of up to 30 monkeys and even larger troops of up to 100 have been observed. They have a limited distribution range and the largest known populations are found in the forests near the Amazon River in the countries of Peru and Brazil. The deep sea is full of some weird, wild and wonderful creatures. The crushing pressure, freezing cold temperatures and pitch black darkness of the deep sea isn't for everyone, but some animals do manage to survive and thrive there. One such animal is the mysterious and elusive big fin squid. There are very few known encounters with these strange squid throughout the years. So there is so much we still don't know about these haunting animals. One thing we do know for sure, however, is that these animals are one of a kind. Big fin squid are the deepest living squid that we know of, as they can live in depths of more than 20,000 feet. They get their name from the fact that their fins stretch to about 90% of the length of the mantle or the main body of the squid. The largest big fin squid on record stretched to more than 20 feet long, and it's possible they can grow even larger. They are also recognized by their long spindly appendages. Like other squid, they have 8 arms and 2 tentacles, but their elbow-like bends give the big fin squid its distinctive appearance. All 10 arms and tentacles hang out and down from their bodies, and they can grow 20 times the length of their body. Some scientists speculate they use their arms and tentacles as a spider web-like net to capture small prey as they swim by or drag along the sea floor. They also suspect that the odd angle of their arms and tentacles helps ensure the long appendages don't get tangled. Although widely distributed throughout the world's deep ocean, big fin squid were only just officially described by scientists in the 1980s, so they are relatively new in the field. Currently, there are only a few known species of the big fin squid, including the Magna pinna atlantica, M. pacifica, and M. talismani, but scientists believe there are likely more. Big fin squid are yet another example of the secrets yet to discover in our ocean. As exploration and access to the deep ocean continues to increase, more opportunities will undoubtedly arise in future to discover other strange creatures living in the ocean depths.